This is the fourth and final video, basically announcing that we are opening up TPA to a much broader market, to the subscription market, to you. And there are 4 videos, and as I said, all the links are below. It's probably good to go through all of them to get a good idea. The idea, what I do and what TPA does is every single week we rank the entire Russell 1000, which is not the top 95% of all publicly traded stocks, and we rank them in terms of whether or not they're going in and out of favor. And then we look at them with a trend range view to see are they at valuable inflection points. And during the week, you'll get a ton of reports. One report will look at the top 20 and bottom 20 stocks as they're ranked and as they've already gone through the filter. We'll do a market commentary about stocks that are going and sectors that are going in and out of favor, do a commentary on the market itself. There will also be other reports that will come, and let me explain those to you now. We're almost done. I'm going to go through the main reports that TPA provides. Every Monday, we provide the TPA RRG report, and you will get the top 20 weekly. These are stocks, again, that have strong relative performance and strong relative momentum and have also passed the trend range screen. Then you'll get the bottom 20. These are stocks you should definitely not be in. They are out of favor and are falling further out of favor. But you can also use the RRG ranking of all 1,000 stocks by simply using the control search key. You can look for your stock and see if your stock is highly ranked or is not ranked well, and therefore make decisions based on that. We'll also have a sector and stock commentary. Again, the top and bottom 20 stocks. We will rank the 27 sector ETFs, and that will give you an idea of the sectors and how they are in and out of favor. Also, every week we'll have a top 10 and bottom 10 report, and those are the top 10 and bottom 10 stocks that TPA has recommended. And also we'll have actionable levels for each of those. Daily, there'll be a market snapshot, a risk dashboard. I'll go into those in a minute. And there'll also be recommendations and market reports on an intermittent basis. Here's what the top 10 and bottom 10 stocks looks like. Again, this will come out every Monday and give you a good idea of not only the top and bottom ranked stocks, but where the action levels are. The market snapshot is based on my 25 years of market experience looking at technicals in the market, and I will point out extremes in the market when you should either be focusing heavily on buying or perhaps avoiding the market at that point. And then we look at larger trends and patterns with the risk dashboard. All of the stuff will become more familiar with you and is explained in more depth on the TPA website. You should use these reports in the following ways. These are ways to better time your buys and sells or reductions or additions to existing positions. You can also determine what parts of the market are strong and which are weak at any given time, possibly determine your proper long exposure based on the risk parameters of the market. This is a good way to generate new investment ideas or possibly to rank your investment ideas. If you've learned anything from these short videos, it should be this. The best investors are those that optimize their timing. The best investors use TPA because I'm providing the tools that will allow you to perform as best as you can. And for a few bucks, we can really make you a much better investor. If you want to learn more, visit TPA website today. The website link is provided below. Thanks for spending the time. I appreciate it.